Hello and welcome. Today we have Audi Q7 and what we're going to do is to install dashcam, front and rear witness dash cameras into this car. Let me show you what exactly product we're going to be installing. We like the BlackVue brand. We think it's one of the best cameras available in the market. They've got a really user-friendly interface. The app that you can download to your phone allows you to control the cameras in a very easy way, very friendly, and this is what we like, very simplistic approach. So I've got already all the wires out. I just want to show you the cameras. So the model we're going to be installing is DR750X-2CH Plus model. You've got the two cameras. This is the front and this is the rear, and we're going to be adding one in here. We're going to show you how we hide the wiring, so there's not going to be anything sticking out. It's all going to be run properly, hidden away. Same at the front, we're going to do the camera there, so we'll show you everything before and after. Right, the car is out from the workshop, the job is completed, so let's have a look how the cameras are installed, how the installed cameras are looking. So I'm going to try to show you from the outside. There's a tinted glass, so but we can actually see it. So the rear camera that is there. So if I open the tailgate now, you can see how it looks when it's installed. So it's nice and neatly sitting right next to the plastic trim. Cable is just going inside the trim, and then that's it. That's all you see. There's nothing sticking out. It's very nice and neat job. And let's have a look now at the front camera as well. So I'm gonna go in here. And the front camera, as you can see, sitting here behind the mirror. So I'm trying to do the focus for you guys here, but I'm not the best with these cameras. There you go. So the camera is just sitting on the front of the just behind the mirror, facing the front. We've got a bit of a wire going along the plastic trim here, and that's it. That's how they are installed. I've mentioned we really like BlackVue cameras, and the reason for that is because of the interface it comes with. It's just really good. I'm just showing you as well how it looks from here. So I'm just going to show you now. I've got Ben here with me, and he's got the BlackVue app, so you can see how to connect the camera. So we can just Ben will just give us a demo, so we can go to the connect. It shows us the available cameras in the range, so we select that, you connect to it, and then it shows you already a list of videos that has pre-recorded. This was when we were connecting it and testing it and all that, so we can go to one of them. You can see the front, you can see the rear. That's me there actually when I was recording, so this was just basically a few seconds ago. We can also do live view, so this is also available there. I can see the option, so Ben will just select it now, and now I can see the front and we can see the rear. So both all working. It's really good interface. It's really easy to work with, and this is why we like this brand. Very reliable cameras. We never had any issues with them. If they were, really most of that was due to the user error more than the system itself. So we stand by this brand, and we really recommend it to anyone if they're looking for a dash cam, to look for BlackVue, because it's worth the money for what it offers. The more details will be in the description. If you want to contact us, links will be also in the description. Thank you for joining us, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.